Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two powerhouse graphics cards, the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super and the ASUS TUF Radeon RX 9070 XT. Both cards are designed for gamers and content creators, offering impressive specifications and features. The MSI card boasts NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture and a boost clock of 2,655 MHz, while the ASUS card is equipped with military-grade components and advanced cooling technology. Join us as we explore their performance, cooling efficiency, and pricing to determine which card is the best choice for you. When it comes to specifications, the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super features 16 GB of GDDR6X memory with a 256-bit memory interface, allowing for high bandwidth and performance in demanding applications. It has a boost clock speed of 2,655 MHz, making it suitable for high-end gaming. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Radeon RX 9070 XT also boasts 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, but with a memory clock of 4,000 MHz, which is optimized for performance in AMD titles. Both cards are built to handle the latest games at high settings, but their underlying technologies cater to different gaming ecosystems. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during extended gaming sessions. The MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super utilizes a 3x Ventus cooler design, which effectively dissipates heat while keeping noise levels low. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Radeon RX 9070 XT features axial tech fans with dual ball bearings, designed to enhance airflow and improve cooling efficiency. This robust cooling system ensures that the ASUS card remains stable even under heavy loads, making it an excellent choice for gamers who push their hardware to the limit. When it comes to pricing, the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super is priced at $839.99, reflecting its high-end performance and features. However, the ASUS TUF Radeon RX 9070 XT offers a more budget-friendly option at $799.99, making it an attractive choice for gamers looking for high performance without breaking the bank. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many potential buyers, especially those who are price-sensitive but still want a capable graphics card. In conclusion, both the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super and the ASUS TUF Radeon RX 9070 XT are exceptional graphics cards catering to different needs and preferences. If you prioritize cutting-edge performance and are willing to invest a bit more, the MSI card is an excellent choice. However, if you seek a balance of performance and value, the ASUS card stands out as a strong contender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.